Hi, I'm Ratchet. Enjoy the show. So recently I did a poll. It's going to be right here. Where what should I ratchet next? Mouse, dog, or bumblebee? And you all chose mouse, so here we go. Destroying a mouse. You know, so since I've had this mouse, this button couldn't work, and right after hitting it with a baseball bat, this Louisville Slugger, it works. Bunny World. Bunny World. Oh my god, it's a mouse. That actually hurt my foot so bad. I thought it would just like crumble, but it stood up perfectly. And of course the thing got knocked out because it's a wireless mouse. Holy crap, that hurt my foot so bad. So as you guys know, I do ratcheting videos. And I was like, what should I ratchet next? What should I ratchet next? And the first thing that came to my mind was mice. So let's play some baseball. When I said baseball, I meant golf. Whew. Batter up. I'm gonna just. All right. I can't find the battery, so, and also, the guts, they keep coming out, not the guts, the inside of the mouse, they keep coming out, so, yeah, we're gonna do it without the inside of the mouse, so, I'm just a random pedestrian riding my, oh my god, is that a mouse? Come here. Since that's not working, I'm gonna get to the big guns. So I used a different location than the last episode. I thought it looked nice because everything is dead. So, look at my selection of weapons. Eeny, how good this camera is. This is an iPhone X. Okay. Whew. God dang. You want to go like that, eh? What the? Wait. Alright. It's sounding way weaker. I'm just a random pedestrian. I'm just a random American minding my business. Oh my goodness, is that a mouse? I gotta shoot that thing. Is it dead? Yeah, I think it's dead. You stupid mouse. Get over here. You dirty rat. America. 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 So, the damages. It's beaten to Hades. That button is driven in. It is scratched up. So where it won't fall down. That's got a lot of kick to it. Holy crap. Sticking the blood forces. Like it bumps up. I think it'd still work, right? I hate wheels. Mouse. America. Yeah. You ain't so tough now, are you? Holy. I'm gonna do the sharp end. Ow! Holy crap. Bro, it went right through and it hit the actual metal table. Where is it? Give me the wheel. If you ever wondered what the inside of a mouse looked like, here you go. This has been fun. But remember, kids, only ratchet broken stuff. Because then you can ratchet anything. You know why? Because once you ratchet anything, it'll be broken. So just say it was broken before you ratcheted it. So, here you go. Build me a new freaking mouse. So, this is what's left. There's some pieces everywhere. Yes, I'm standing like this. This is so I can get my face in the shot. Now, I have no idea what this is. My hands are covered in rust, so I'm gonna go wash them off. I'm Ratchet. What should I ratchet next? Why do my hands feel like gasoline? Why do my hands smell like gasoline? Wait, don't light that match!